Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online English language class, and this whole week as you all know that we have done our revision work. So today also we are going to do language revision of chapter number 3, that is kinds of sentences. So are you all ready for that children? Very good. But before starting with today's video, I want to tell you that in today's assignment I will be giving you 2 videos, okay? As every day also I give you 2 videos, part 1 and part 2. So today in part 1 video I will explain you the topic of kinds of sentences so that you will be cleared with the topic, and then in the next video we will be doing our revision exercise, okay? So I hope you all are ready for your revision exercise today. So let's get started with our videos children. So before starting children, one more thing that I want to ask you all, that I hope you all have completed your previous work which I gave you yesterday. Yesterday we did chapter number 2, the sentence. So I hope you all have completed that revision work plus activity work which I gave you. And those who have not completed children, please make sure that you complete it first and then only start with the new work which I am giving you today, okay? Now for the recap of the chapter children, you have to take out the grammarian book, that is book number 2 for class 2, okay? And then turn to page number 15. As you can see here, page number 15, okay, chapter number 3, kinds of sentences. Now children, in this chapter I will explain you about how many kinds of sentences you have learnt, okay? You all have learnt about 4 kinds of sentences. First one was assertive sentence, then second one was interrogative sentence, then third one was imperative sentence, and the last one is exclamatory sentence, okay? So in all there are 4 kinds of sentences which we are going to study in this chapter, and which we have already studied before also, okay? Now first of all I will explain you about assertive sentences, that what are assertive sentences. So you all know that assertive sentence always express a statement to tell a fact, okay? असर्टिव सेंटेंस क्या है? जो एक नॉर्मल सिंपल सेंटेंस होता है जिसमें सिर्फ आपको एक बात बतानी होती है, एक फैक्ट बताना होता है, ओके? एंड असर्टिव सेंटेंस ऑलवेज एंड्स विद अ फुल स्टॉप. असर्टिव सेंटेंस एक नॉर्मल सेंटेंस होता है, सिंपल सेंटेंस होता है जिसमें हम एक फैक्ट बताते हैं, और असर्टिव सेंटेंस ऑलवेज एंड्स विद अ फुल स्टॉप, हमेशा एक फुल स्टॉप से एंड होता है, ओके? लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मिस कविता इज अ डॉक्टर. You can see here Miss Kavita is a doctor. So this is a sentence which is telling you a correct fact, okay? ये एक fact बताया कि Miss Kavita जो है वो डॉक्टर है, okay? And a full stop. My father is a businessman. This is also a fact which we are telling in this sentence, that my father is a businessman, ending with a full stop. Is that clear? Now coming to the next, that is interrogative sentence. Now children, interrogative, the word itself is explaining us that to interrogate. Interrogative means to interrogate something. Now when you interrogate, that means you are questioning someone or questioning about someone or about something, okay? So when you are asking a question in a sentence, then those sentences are known as interrogative sentence. So an interrogative sentence asks a question about something or someone. किसी भी चीज़ के लिए या किसी person के बारे में अगर हम कोई question पूछते हैं, so those sentences are known as interrogative sentences. And one more thing children, that always remember that interrogative sentences always ends with a question mark. When you do question answers in EVS or in English literature or in Hindi, you always have seen that when a question is asked, we just put a question mark. So children, whenever you learn your question answers, you must have seen that all the questions always end with a question mark, okay? So from that sign, from that punctuation mark, we can make out that in this sentence there is a question which is being asked, okay? So what are you doing? Now ending with a question mark. So here we are asking that what are you doing? आप क्या कर रहे हो? Do you like fruits? So again a question mark. So here also a question is asked that do you like fruits? आपको fruits पसंद है? Okay. So in this way the sentences are in any sentences, if there is a question, then we use a question mark at the end. Is that clear? So here we have learnt two types of sentences, assertive and interrogative. Okay. Now coming to the third one, that is imperative sentences. Okay. Now children, what are imperative sentences? You all know that I have explained you before also, that in any sentence, if you see that there are some expression of order, if there is an expression of order, okay, or a request, if the sentence is expressing some order or request, then that sentence is known as imperative sentence. Okay. And one more thing children, which is most important for imperative sentence, that it also ends with a full stop. So there is always a confusion that within these two, assertive as well as in imperative sentences. So what you have to keep in mind is, to find out the assertive sentence, you have to just read the sentence, and if there is an if the sentence is expressing a fact, then it is an assertive sentence. And if the sentence after reading you find an expression of order or request, then that is an imperative sentence. Okay, because both these sentences ends with a full stop. Okay. Now coming to the last part, that is exclamatory sentence. So you all have understood assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences. Now we are going to study about exclamatory sentences. So what are exclamatory sentences children? From the word exclamatory you can make out that where the punctuation mark of exclamation mark is used, those sentences are known as exclamatory sentences. Always remember that in exclamatory sentences, exclamatory sentence always express a strong feeling. Okay, whatever you are feeling for something or somebody, so in a sentence if you are expressing that strong feeling, then those sentences are known as exclamatory sentences. Okay. And always remember that exclamatory sentences always ends with an exclamation mark. So that is all in this chapter children. I hope you all have understood it very clearly. Now once again I am repeating in short that assertive sentence always express a statement to tell a fact and ends with a full stop. Interrogative sentence always ask a question about someone or something, and it always ends with an with a question mark. Then comes your imperative sentences. So imperative sentences expresses an order or a request, and they always end with a full stop. Okay. And in the last comes your exclamatory sentences. So in exclamatory sentence children, the sentence express a strong feeling, okay, about someone or something, and then it ends with an exclamation mark. So that is all to be remembered for this chapter children. You have to keep in mind that there are four types of sentences, and when and which type of sentence is used. Okay. So I hope you all have understood this topic. Now moving towards our part 2 video, in which I will be giving you 2 revision exercises to complete. Is that clear children? So switch on to my next video, and for that, bye bye.